Strawberry lemonade can be a wonderful dream. Some like it straight. I like mine in mead. Hello, welcome back to Hanging with Hodge. I'm Dave Hodgkins. Come for the mead, stay for the bad poetry. Hey, before we get started, do me a favor. Smash that like button. And don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the bell icon. You'll get notified when I put out new videos. So today, as you probably guessed, we're making strawberry lemonade mead. I've seen other people make this strawberry lemonade mead, and at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you about the most recent one that I saw because it was really good. I commented on our video that when I make it, I cheat. To be fair, it's really not cheating because there are really no rules. However, I do it a bit differently. During this time, I'm going to show you how I do it, but remember, you make mead your way. Now, let's go make some mead. So when I started recording initially, I forgot to turn the mic on. So I'm going to go through everything that, now that I've got the mic turned on, that I've done already. So it's kind of like a fast forward. You don't see me stirring everything up right now. So I mentioned we're doing strawberry lemonade mead, and we're actually doing a comparison against strawberry lemonade wine. And the way that I'm kind of cheating is, again, I'm just doing it my way. So I'm using organic strawberry lemonade that I got from Costco. Now, organic does not mean no chemicals. They're very limited on how they can make things, but it doesn't mean completely no chemicals. So when we look at the ingredients here, we have filtered water, organic lemon juice from concentrate, organic sugar, organic strawberry juice from concentrate, citric acid, organic natural lemon flavor, vegetable extract for color, and organic natural strawberry flavor. So they may have used other things out on the fields with us here, but overall it should work well. Actually, it does work well. This is really a favorite during the summertime. That's why I'm making it now. It's going to be great during the summertime when we're floating around in the pool outside. I put in 2 of these containers. They are 96 ounces each. I put 2 into each bucket here. I used 5 pounds of honey in our mead, and I used, this is a 10-pound bag. I used 4 pounds, about 4.5 pounds of sugar, straight up sugar, in this batch here. We've already got our yeast going. We rehydrated it earlier. So now we're going to go ahead and pitch our yeast into here. So again, strawberry lemonade, organic strawberry lemonade juice from Costco, and honey, and organic strawberry lemonade juice from Costco, and sugar, 5 pounds of honey, a little about over 4.5 pounds of sugar. All right, so now that I've gotten done explaining what I did over here, because I didn't have my mic turned on while I was going through this, I said, you chug the strawberry lemonade in. We added 5 pounds of honey, brought it to 1.130, which is right where we wanted it to be. We've added sugar to this one here. So this one here is going to be our wine. This is going to be our mead. So now we need to take our reading over here. All right, and now let's do one more reading. I cannot believe I started off the video and didn't turn the mic on. All right then. And 1.130. Excellent. That's where we want it to be. we'll go ahead and pitch our yeast. We're using the EC1118 from Lalvin. Get that in there. Okay. Now, we're going to go ahead and add in some diammonium phosphate. Now, this takes half to 3/4 of a gram per gallon. So we've got about 1.5 gallons here each, or 1.5 or 1/2 to 3/4 teaspoons per 5 gallons. So my scale does not go down that low. So I've got a 1/2 teaspoon here, and I'm going to fill this up about 1/5 of the way. It's not going to require a whole lot in here. I'll treat each one equally. I'm going to stir each one. Now, when you're using the bucket, one of the things you want to make sure of is that in my air stopper here, I've got sanitized water, so I've got Star San water in each of the air stoppers. I don't have it going through. I've got it in the bung here, but I don't have it sticking way down. We don't want it going down into our must itself, because then the air will not be able to get through it to push it off, and that's when it starts coming out through the sides. Look at where your handle is as well. So I want it on the opposite side of the handle so I can lift it up. If you got it over the side here, obviously you're going to have problems when you go to put it in. So we're going to put it over here. There we go. Again, handle here, go over that side there. Now we're going to take our handy dandy wet erase marker, and we are going to mark on both of these here. So we've got strawberry, lemonade, mead, and this one over here is our strawberry, lemonade, wine. So the difference between the mead and the wine is using sugar, yeast is using mead. We'll also write down what each one of these are in our notebook so we can keep track. We'll put in there how much we put in of each one and what our original gravity reading was. So on both of these here, and I'll actually mark it right on here as well, it is 1.130 OG and OG 1.130. Now, not only have I written it on the lids, but I will also write it on the side of the buckets, because as things bubble over, it could end up flowing down on top and messing up what's written on the lids. Because again, the nice thing about the wet erase markers is you can write right on to your buckets and it will wash right off. So check out my other video on top 5 tips if you want to learn more about things like that. So we're going to go ahead and put this away, and we'll see you in a few minutes. Now, I most recently saw a strawberry lemonade mead being made over on the Faywood Mead channel. Now, if you haven't subscribed to her channel, I'm going to have a link in the description below. Her videos are a lot of fun, and you can tell she has a lot of fun making them as well. So go over, check her out, subscribe to her channel, and enjoy it. Have fun with it. So as I said earlier, I did comment on her video that when I make it, I cheat. But again, there are no rules. So remember, make mead your way, have fun with it, experiment, and learn. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I've had fun making it. If you did enjoy it, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, click the icon, the bell icon. You know the routine. You'll get notified when I put out new videos. Tell your friends about it, share it on social media, send it to the executives at Warner Brothers Studio, but above all else, spread the peace and love. Until next time, cheers.